Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a month. Gosh, the days go by so fast. But it is a Colorful Life Designs new release, and it's all about coffee. So I am using the layered cups, and I have 2 cards to make with you today. So here are the ink cubes I'm using for my first card, and I will go ahead and get started. It is such a fun release. I am super excited. I love coffee, and I'm starting to drink a lot of tea now. Well, not a lot, but you know, every once in a while I'll have tea at night to relax me. So this release was so exciting, and I really like this stencil set. It's called the Layered Cups 1 and 2. So I am using 1, and it would be fun just to use the cups by itself, but Mary Kay included stencil 2, as you will see in a bit, and it's just, I love it. So I will be using it a lot, I'm sure. And with these colors, I thought it was fun to do like Alice. So I will be using Miss Ink Stamps Alice stamp set, and that is a stamp set that I do not use enough of, so I was excited for that. There's also a new stamp set for this month. It's called Coffee, so it has a lot of great sentiments in there. I should have showed it. But anyways, if you check out the whole release, you will see the new stamp set, and you will see all the new stencils for this month. It's not just coffee either. There's other stamp sets that are with this release, and so it was just a lot of fun, and I made a lot of cards, and I can't wait to share them all with you. So pretty. I thought these were nice spring colors here, and here is stencil number 2. So just line that up, and I used this nice pretty color from Tailored Expressions as well, and I will have all the details in the description. So super pretty. I am now going to flick some gold splatter, and I will have that paint listed also. It's my favorite gold. I think it's Tomby. And then that is the brown one that I made. So we'll go ahead and make the brown one. And I wasn't sure that this, I think I was looking for I don't know what I was looking for. Anyways, I am using this craft cardstock here, and maybe I was looking for my brown brush. I don't know. But so I love how it looks, this craft ink from My Favorite Things onto craft cardstock here. And I don't know, with coffee I always go with browns, and so that's, I mean, I don't know, I guess just because coffee's brown, and I tend to do like Starbucks colors too. I don't know, do you do that too? I don't know, that's just what I do. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it. So this one, again, would be fun, just the Layered Cups stencil 1. But I went ahead and did stencil 2 again on this one. Here we go. And I did the same ink color, I believe. Yes. And here we go. So pretty. I love all these designs, so unique, and that's why it reminded me of Alice in Wonderland. But I will have to try it again with some other colors. I can't wait to see what you make with them. So, and don't forget to use my code vonfan10 to save 10% off your purchase. And my affiliate links are always listed, and let me know if you cannot find them. I would be happy to send you my affiliate link. And also please subscribe and like my video. It helps my video get seen. So here I am. I'm using the white. It's like a white sparkly paint, and so I'm using that for my splatter. And I think I did the gold too. Yeah. So, and I thought that was pretty. This would look pretty as a slimline card as well. You just layer it up. And there we go. Pretty. I think I got wet water on the side of that paper, but it didn't matter. So I'm going to use those two Alice images, and I will stamp them with Memento black tuxedo ink, and I'll use my Misty here, and then I will fussy cut them out, and I believe I'm just coloring them with Copic markers. And I think I'm just I put my big paper in there and decided not to do it that way. And I hope your weather's getting better. It's really windy today. Still kind of cool here, but hopefully we get some nice spring weather. I had a spring break with my children last week, and so, or actually this week, and it was so much fun just sleeping in and relaxing. It's not too stressful for us. We do homeschool, so we're always home anyways, but it was just nice not doing any schoolwork or having anything due. So there we go. I decided to use that Alice with this background, and then I'm using wonky rectangle dies from Simon Says Stamp, I believe, and then I'm using these. Oh, there's the stamp set. So I am going to go ahead and use one stamp set from the new stamp, and then I'm going to use a different sentiment stamp set that's for Alice in Wonderland, because I thought it would be good just to have two different ones. And this one says, I think, what did I put? I changed it and to put Girl Needs Coffee. The one falling down, I feel like that's me sometimes. And the other one, I will put Drink Me, which I thought was cute. And I will stamp those, and with some black ink here. And of course I stamped it backwards, so I had to do it again. I probably needed some coffee as well, and here we go. Finally I got it. It must have been one of those days. And so this is the first time using this stamp set, so I really like it. I think it's Creative Expressions, and I've had it in my stash for, I don't know, probably for a long time, sometime last year I think I bought it. Okay, Drink Me and Girl Needs Coffee. I'm also using these sentiment dies, which I don't use enough of, and they are from Simon Says Stamp, so I will link them in case you want to try them out. And just using my paper trimmer to cut them out, cut out one, and then I used my die to cut out the other one. And there we go. So I will go ahead and assemble these cards. And which one is your favorite? The one on the left is definitely my favorite. So I'm just using some liquid glue, and I will be adding some coffee, a coffee sequin mix. I remembered I did have an Alice. I think I have an Alice one from Doodles paper playground, but I will have to do that next time because I totally forgot. And adding foam tape to this one. I think I add foam tape to the other one as well. And that's it for my cards. So I hope you liked them. I hope you enjoyed my card process and give it a try. I hope you like the new release. I think it's fabulous. Use my code there, vonfan10, and I hope to do another video soon. I always hope that. So I hope you have a great day, and here we go. I'm just going to add my sequins, and then I probably will show you them side by side again. And that is it. So have a great day. Bye.